No. I have three screens. Let's see. Connection just dropped drastically. This
What do you see? Discord?
There we go. Now I can see everything. Yep. Now I
You
can
see
see.
Jamie?
I don't see JMeter. I see Postman.
Oh, now you can see Jamie.
Yep. Oh no.
Yeah, I think it's. I just emptied it by accident. Full stack FUD. Nope, I don't have it. All right, I'm just gonna make a new one if that's okay.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay, how do I do this again? Add a thread.
Thread group.
Thread group. Um. Okay, leave all that. We want to add HTTP request.
Yep.
Here will be local host.
Yep.
Here will be 8080.
Mhm.
I'm gonna run up my application,
Mhm.
which is I'm gonna do the CRUD. Spring Boot full stack app. Spring Boot full stack app.
You're running a
Demo.
Docker file. You want to right-click Java, and you want to right-click demo application, and you want to run that. If you can't run that, it's because at the bottom it probably hasn't been configured as a Maven project. So right-click Palm, and then go to add as Maven project, which is the last option in the context menu.
Okay. I'm just gonna check my local host. Oh no, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it does work. Okay, nice. All right. I'm assuming you don't see that the project itself, correct?
I do not.
All right. Well, it's the regular create person app. Now you see it.
Yep.
All right. So now I want to so if to get the person, right? The endpoint, I'm getting errors when I want to create a person. I'm sorry. I know it's I'm just trying to remember what the endpoint was. All right, person controller. Person controller. Person controller. Read all. All
I
right.
don't I don't believe in the green nor yellow buttons on MacBook Windows personally. So those top left ones, that green and yellow, I don't believe in them. Like the top left of any window on Mac. You see there's always a green, yellow, and red button.
Here.
I don't believe in the yellow and green ones. I don't believe in pressing those like at all. Like I believe that you should either double tap that top bar of a window to maximize it. So if you double tap that bar, for example, where it says main on IntelliJ, well, no, to the right of it, the bar. Yeah, double tap.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's good. Um, but pressing that green button, bro, that creates an entire new desktop and then puts that application on full screen on that desktop. So then if you try to do a command tab on your MacBook to try to get back to the previous window, it won't do it because it's on a different desktop.
Yeah.
So this solves that. It makes sure that, and that's with the green and yellow button. Those two create that behavior. They create that issue. If you right now, for example, do a command tab, you have access to all of your windows again. So try the
Yeah.
command tab right now. It just does it. See how now you can go back between JMeter and IntelliJ very quickly because they're not on two separate desktops. But yeah, I just said that because I saw you press that yellow button, and then I was like, that damn yellow button. I don't believe in that
Mhm.
thing. I just had to make a comment. Sorry.
Well, thanks. I'll take note of that.
Yeah.
Now I gotta do the tree. So where do I get the tree from? Is it listener? Yeah, view tree results. Okay. So now we're gonna read all, right?
Yep.
Um. So let's see if it works. Okay, it works, right?
Cool.
So now if I try to create, I can't do it.
Let me see.
Let me do the same thing here.
You should just duplicate the other request, really, but that's fine. However you want to do it. Yep. 8080. Yep. Yep.
Create.
It's a post request.
I gotta add I gotta add the JSON.
Oh yeah, if you go back. No, you don't need to add it there. Not there. Well, I mean, you do need. I see what you're saying. You wanted to add the header. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, the header
Okay.
HTTP.
Gotcha. Is it a config element?
Yeah. Right. Here. How does it go again?
Content hyphen type.
Content type.
I think it's capital
here-
T, not positive. I don't even know if it matters, but
Capital T. Okay.
that's usually what I think I see it with is capital T. Yeah, and then it's
Right here-
application / JSON. Yeah.
I'm adding another
then
tree.
Okay. Listener, right?
Yeah, the listener. Results tree. Okay, and we gotta create the body. So here.
Yep.
What's the body again? You know, I'll just see what I'm getting back.
Heck yeah.
So request response data.
What the heck?
Is this expected? This response data?
No. This is a failed request.
This is a failed request.
Yeah, let me see what endpoint you're hitting. I mean, it gives you back a 200, but
Yeah, I figured this is I'm not doing it right. Well, at least I'm getting an error.
okay. So the name of the endpoint is read all with a lowercase a.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
If I do it through Postman, I'm getting back data. Look,
Yeah.
that's what it was so strange for me. Spark Spring Boot, no. Class query, no. How do you create just a request without an actual collection?
I think maybe new or Control T. Yeah, that's one way to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we do like so if I do this, I'm getting back data. You see?
Yep.
But when I'm doing it from JMeter, I'm not getting back that data.
Let me see again in JMeter. What is it looking like? And let me see in Postman again. And
This and what's strange is that this is happening to all the apps that I'm doing it with.
Command tab.
So I'm afraid it's like a configuration thing.
So let's see
Yeah.
that body data again. I mean, not the body data. Let's see the response again from the results tree. Let's go to yeah, and let's see exactly what is this. So Command A, Command C this, and can you paste this into a new file index.html?
So you want me to copy all of this?
Yeah, Command A, Command C, and then terminal, command space terminal, enter, and then I don't know, create a new file named index.html, and then open it in something.
Wait, what do you want me to do? Wait, what is this? What's running?
I don't know.
Is this my
Don't worry about it. Command T though.
Command T?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
What do you want me to do?
uh, I want you to just cd into a dev directory if you have it, and make a new file named index.html. Like make a temp. I don't know. If I would say cd into your dev directory. That's what I want to say. Can we do
The
that?
depth directory of this project?
So right now you're in your home directory. The dev
Yeah.
directory should be ~dev. Do you have a dev directory?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, so let's make a dev directory.
All right.
Yep. Just do a mkdir ~dev.
This is the tilde, correct?
Yep.
All right, just make like this.
Yep. Now cd ~dev.
CD what?
Or cd dev. That's fine too. Yep. And now mkdir troubleshoot. And
Like
cd, yep, enter. And cd into troubleshoot. And touch index.html. And can you say code space dot enter? Will that open up VS Code here?
I think so. No, I didn't configure it.
Okay, how can we open this here? What editor can we do? What do we have?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I have Visual
Let's-
Studio Code. But I didn't
Let's
configure
try.
it with the.
Let's try it. Nano index.html.
No. Yeah. Want to run on the terminal itself?
Yeah, and then we'll Command V. And then we'll Control X.
Control X.
And then we'll capital Y. And then we'll hold Shift and press colon. Right? Or do we hit enter? Just hit enter? Okay, yeah. Now cat index.html. Okay, looks good to me. Let's try to open index.html.
I'm curious why some of the error is talking about like
Hey,
JHipster
hipster.
for some
Yeah,
reason.
that's why. That's something that really like scared
Oh.
me when I'm seeing J hipster errors.
Did
Like,
it
there
open in the
should be
browser?
no reason that
Uh-huh.
there's JHipster involved
No, the
anywhere
browser's
near
open,
this
yeah.
what you're doing.
Okay, so this is
Huh?
what we see. An error has occurred. A usual error causes you started the application from IDE and you didn't run npm start or npm run. You had a network error while running. Okay, you installed Node version that doesn't work with JHipster. Building the client
And I'm not
side.
even using J hipster.
You're not using JHipster.
No.
When's the last time you restarted your machine?
Restarted my machine.
Yeah. How do we know for sure this is? Can you run this on port 8081?
Wait.
He said wait.
Wait. Oh no, because I think I have J hipster running
Yeah,
on
where
local
can,
maybe.
yeah, let's run this on 8081 or 8083 or something other than 8080 and then verify that this is, because this to me seems to suggest that some JHipster application is running in the background and providing a
Yeah, it
response
is.
successfully.
Look. Look at the J hipster icon right here.
Huh.
It
It
is.
is
It
the
is
J
my
hipster
Docker.
icon.
My Docker's running on localhost 8080 in the background. I just remembered that.
Okay.
So if
Gotcha.
we close this app, right?
And then run JHipster again, we should still expect to see a 200.
Mhm.
And we should
No, if
still
we-
expect to see that as well. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
Hold on, let me try. If we close the app and I would do localhost 8080, no.
Command Shift R, because that you need a hard refresh on there
Command Shift R.
on the browser. There you
Yep.
go.
See, yeah, it's
Yeah.
running in the Docker
It's very
container.
important that you do Command Shift R when you're testing anything related to the front end.
All right. All right. Do you want me to close the Docker container?
I don't really care what you do. You could just run it on 8081. Honestly, that's what I was gonna suggest. Run it on 8081 and then, point
Okay.
your JMX to the 8081.
All right.
Or if you want, you could just stop JHipster. Whatever
Look,
whatever feels most comfortable to you. I think that programming it against 8080 is a good idea, just because it'll make it easier for whoever clones the project next.
yes. Yes. Yeah. Zip code. Bash. You see 8080 right here.
Yeah.
Docker stop. Okay. All right. It's not running now.
Nice. Let's
All right,
verify
now,
that. Oh, he pressed the yellow button. Good. Let's verify it.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Control Shift R. Yep. Look. Almost
Cool.
nothing.
Looks good to me. All right. So now last step is to rerun your Spring Boot application.
I
Then
hope that was the.
I think so. And then we'll rerun your JMeter, and we'll make sure that you get 200 response on that.
I'd imagine now that the JHipster thing is down, it should be working as expected.
Yeah, I suspect the same.
All right. You see now the JHipster
Okay.
signs up.
We said
Okay,
that it
nice.
says that it's up. Let's run it in JMeter and let's see. Okay, let's view the results tree. Okay,
Nice.
looks good to me. We might as well copy that response, paste it into
Hold on.
our create
Wait.
response body. Copy
Oh
that.
yes, submit that data. Nice. Okay, that was it. Yes. Okay. Yeah, good catch, Andrew. that
I have a
you?
knack for small outlying issues, apparently.
Yeah.
All right, great job, guys. Let me know if you guys have anything else you want to work on, or have any other questions.
We'll just see if it works.
Okay, yeah, let's just see that first. View results tree. Let's see response data. Looks good to me.
All right, Leon. I really appreciate this help, Leon. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Yeah. And also, maybe I don't know. Whenever you have time, no pressure. But that Postman script, if we can go over it.
Yep.
Because I think that's like a super valuable skill.
Yeah, I'm gonna at the least drop the script in the chat so you can study it. And then hopefully you can come back with questions if you have any.
Yeah, definitely. Or if you have time, like you could just do a Twitch whenever you want, and I'll watch the recording.
Also, it's true. Could definitely, yeah.
Thanks a lot,
Yep,
Leon. I
no
appreciate
problem. All right,
All right,
guys.
thanks.
I'll see you.
Take
Catch you
care.
later.